Welcome back to our AIinFocus series. In this video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of machine learning algorithms. Specifically, we'll explore popular techniques such as linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks, and discuss their wide-ranging applications. 1. Linear regression and its applications. Let's begin with linear regression, a fundamental technique in machine learning. Linear regression is used to model the relationship between variables and make predictions based on linear patterns. It's a powerful tool that helps us understand how one variable influences another. Linear regression finds its applications in various fields. For example, in finance, it can be used to predict stock market trends and forecast future prices. In healthcare, it aids in analyzing patient data to predict disease progression or assess the effectiveness of treatments. In marketing, it helps estimate sales based on factors like advertising expenditure and customer demographics. Moreover, linear regression is extensively used in social sciences for analyzing survey data and identifying correlations between variables. It's also employed in engineering for predicting equipment failure and optimizing manufacturing processes. 2. Decision trees, a versatile tool for classification and regression. Moving on to decision trees, this versatile tool is widely employed for classification and regression tasks. Decision trees make predictions by splitting data based on key features, creating branches that lead to various outcomes. They excel in scenarios where decisions are made based on multiple criteria. Decision trees find applications in various domains. In healthcare, they can be used to diagnose diseases by analyzing patient symptoms and medical test results. In finance, decision trees help assess credit risk by considering factors like income, credit history, and loan repayment behavior. In customer relationship management, they aid in segmenting customers based on demographics and purchasing behavior. 3. Neural networks, unleashing the power of deep learning. Lastly, let's delve into the fascinating world of neural networks. Inspired by the human brain, neural networks are composed of interconnected layers of artificial neurons. They have revolutionized the field of deep learning and are capable of solving complex problems. Neural networks find applications in various cutting-edge technologies. In computer vision, they enable accurate object recognition and image classification. In natural language processing, they power language translation, sentiment analysis, and chatbots. In autonomous driving, neural networks assist in object detection and path planning. In conclusion, machine learning algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks are powerful tools that drive AI applications. From predicting trends and making informed decisions to solving intricate problems, these algorithms shape our AI-driven world. Join us in future episodes as we explore more exciting topics in the realm of artificial intelligence.